looking good. Yeah, it's doing good. Remember, get that first hand in there. Second hand's going to get ready. Coming up, meeting with the first hand, pressing out there on the target, breaking your trigger on target. Rack it again, go back to the holster, do it again. Grip, secondary grip, press out, trigger squeeze, break the trigger on target, try fire. There you go. There you go. Remember, once you go back into the holster, I want you to completely take your hand back off of it and come back here. Because part of it is taking this primary hand and getting it in there really fast. You want to get in there really fast and then be ready to meet it with that second hand as you press out. There you go. There you go. Remember, get your stance a little forward more with your butt back. Press it out like that. And there may be times where you're just kind of chilling, walking around the store or whatever, and something happens. Then the thing is, you're gonna jump into this position. Once you need to go with that gun, you're gonna set yourself into a good base fighting kind of position, and then you're gonna pull that gun and get ready to go to work with it. I gotcha. On you, 5 shots again, nice and accurate, controlling your grip all the way through. There you go. There you go. Dead in the heart. There you go. Good job.
Was that 5?
There you go. You got more. Keep going. There you go. Now you're empty. Good job. On you, same thing again, 5 shots again. Just come out to the reset of the trigger and then break that next shot and the next shot and the next shot. There you go. Looking good. That was smooth.
Finally, I feel like I got it down.
Test or standard that we're using here today is we're shooting from 7 meters. This is a test that certain government agencies use when testing their operators to see if they're capable of doing clandestine work. One of these is drawing from a concealed carry holster with a concealed pistol, coming up out of the holster with your hands neutral, out of the holster, and 2 shots on target in under 2 seconds. To do this, everything we do has to be efficient. Our achieving our grip, our secondary hand placement, our press out, our slack take up in the trigger, and all that stuff has to be efficient. Let's see if we can do this. .84. 1.81. 1.69. 1.79. Looks like we were able to accomplish it, and this can only be done with good fundamentals, good grip strength, proper recoil management, and proper trigger manipulation.